everyone, this is Aishwarya Chavan. From last 2.5 years, I'm living in London. I'm born and brought up in Maharashtra, so I can speak Marathi really well. Okay, so here is the deal that why I'm making this video. So from last couple of months, so many people ask me question on LinkedIn and on Instagram too that Ash, have you managed to switch two jobs in London within a span of 1.5 years? So here is the deal. मैं यूके में आई थी अक्टूबर 22 में as like you having a big dream in my eye that yes, this is the thing, this is the world I need to conquer. So October 22 में आते ही within a couple of days the one thing was I made it very clear to myself that अगर मुझे यूके में आके या लंदन में आके पैसे बनाने हैं तो वो बन सकते हैं एंड विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग द लाइफ स्टाइल आई वॉज हैविंग इन इंडिया, वो बन सकते हैं 9 to 5 जॉब से ही. तो ये मेरे दिमाग में पहले से ही क्लियर था. आई नो पार्ट टाइम जॉब वॉज अ सर्वाइवल थिंग, हर किसी को करनी पड़ती है, मैंने भी की है, बट कहीं ना कहीं मेरा पहले से ही फोकस था कि ये टाइम तो निकल जाएगा, व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट. 20 आवर्स के जो आपका स्टूडेंट वीज़ा का होता है वो तो टाइम निकल ही जाएगा, आप सर्वाइव कर लोगे, बाय हुक एंड क्रुक आप कर ही लोगे. बट वॉट आफ्टर दैट? आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी इन अ सेम सिचुएशन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई मास्टर. दैट वॉज अ वेरी clear in my mind. So because of that thought, I started applying for a full-time job from from December 2022 itself. So बहुत सारे लोग मुझे were like, are you mad or what? That you should be focusing on finishing your master first. Why you are applying for full-time job? That there are around 9 months are remaining to finish your degree. That why you are applying for the full-time job? I was crazy. I was mad. I did it, guys. I started applying for the full-time job. The very first month I entered into the UK. And might be आपके पास एक अलग क्वेश्चन होगा मेरे लिए कि Ash, were the employer were entertaining you that time? And my answer was and is yes. Yes, they were entertaining me. I have given so many interviews during that span. And actually those experience help me prepared कि जब शेयर मार्केट में जाएगा तो शेयर को कैसा बिहेव करना है, right? So those experience really helped me a lot. I have understood one key thing, that UK employers are gonna explore you as a person. They're gonna ask you to reflect on your experiences and tell us what you have learned from those, right? So yes, they are going to explore you as a person. I'm not going to use the word judge you as a person because that's really mean, but yes, they're going to explore you as a person. तो ये मैंने सीखा उन 7 months में जब मैं स्टूडेंट वीज़ा पे थी. आई आर स्टिल अप्लाइंग फॉर द फुल टाइम जॉब. कपल ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर दे वर रेडी. दे सेड मी लाइक इफ आई स्टॉप माई मास्टर्स एंड इफ आई कैन जॉइन देम, but that was not a really choice for me. So I was like, no, if they can offer me 20 hours for now, I'll be fine, but not for the full time. I'm not available now. Some of the employer, they said like, Ash, we really enjoyed talking to you, and we would like to offer you full-time job once you complete your masters. So because of those experience, I understand the kind of language they speak, which thing can instinct them, which thing I should be very mindful while quoting my answers. So this small things I have learned from those experiences. So I still remember I prepare a big diary and I used to write everything in this diary, that what I have learned from this interview, which kind of question they have asked me and how I answered them. I was rating my answers as well, like I was rewinding my answer and I was like, ये गलत बोला था, अरे यार ये बोल सकती थी, like that. Okay, so I learned from those experiences. और जब बारी आई मंथ ऑफ जुलाई में, मेरा मास्टर्स ख़त्म होने वाला था नवंबर में, तो जुलाई में मुझे ऐसा था कि भाई अभी टाइम है, तेरा मास्टर्स होने से पहले तुझे फुल टाइम जॉब ढूंढनी है. सो जून जुलाई में आई वॉज सो अग्रेसिव. आई वॉज applying for the job very seriously, really seriously, in the full with the full energy and full motivation, right? And then the day came, August 2023, 4th August 2023, when I got my full-time job offer in UK for the role of Operation Efficiency Analyst. So this is a different story. I'm a queen of Lean and Six Sigma. Okay, so that's a different story, that what I do, how I got into this field and blah blah blah. So might be I'll make a different video for that, but this is how I got my first job offer. And I was so blessed during that period of time. Maybe मम्मी लोगों की praying हो गए या मेरे efforts होंगे, I don't know, but I was so blessed that मैंने employer को बोला कि this is the month of August, I can join you full time from the month of November, because currently I'm on student visa where I'm restricted to work only for 20 hours. And they were like, we really like you, Ash, and I think so we would like to use this month to make yourself comfortable with our organization. What a blessing. What kind of answer they have given to me. I was so happy. I'm over the moon. And then I was like, fine, let's do it. So for I think so 2 or 3 months I worked for them for 20 hours. And when the time came when I actually completed my master's, they have offered me a full-time position in their company. So this was a job I interviewed with the organization, and it really, those were beautiful days of my life, I'll say. I never feel that much accomplishment so far or till now in my life. They were beautiful day, really. So what happened after that? Why I switched from that company? I believe it's very easy for you to apply for a different employer when you are not happy with your current workplace. But that was not story with me. जो मैं ख्वाब लेके आई थी आंखों में कि लंदन में जाके भी मैं 9 से 5 वाली जॉब करूँगी, ऑफिस में जाऊँगी, I'll have a set routine. I was living that dream, okay? I was living that dream and I was so comfortable, so amazed, so happy in my life that मुझे employer change करने का push अंदर से मिल ही नहीं रहा था. And might be I have had a talk with this thing with my parents. I know that I'm not utilizing my full potential. Might be I am able to do more than this. However, I'm just content with my life. Then my dad said, I don't remember the person whose quote he quoted that time, but he said that love your work, not your workplace. And guys, I'm a person who is driven by words, so I take words very literally. Okay, I take words very seriously. जब पापा ने ये बात मुझे बोली, then I was like, okay, I am really feeling stagnant at this time. Nothing is exciting happening, nothing challenging is happening. Life is like this. Let's do something exciting. And then I was like, as I told you, I am completely into the field of Lean and Six Sigma. So I was like, let me start exploring the manufacturing industry. And I end up working with the pharmaceutical industries. Oh my god. So my company is pharmaceutical, but they manufacture CDMOs. So yes, so that was a completely different story. But here is a deal, that आपको लग रहा होगा कि जितना easily I am saying this, इतना easy था क्या इन जॉब को switch करना और to interview with the employer and get that offer? Answer is no. It was not easy at all. Okay, so let's talk about my conversions. So guys, so positions के लिए apply करती थी, used to heard back from 70 employers. Might be unfortunate email. 28 employer were ghosting me. I haven't heard anything back from them. And 2 employer was pleased with my resume and they was like, Ash, we would like to interview you. So में से 2 employer मुझे interviews के लिए पूछ रहे थे. That was my conversion that time. बट इन दो कन्वर्जन में से मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज़ क्लियर होती थी हमेशा कि इन दो इंटरव्यू में से मुझे एक की ऑफर चाहिए ही चाहिए, एट एनी कॉस्ट, वॉट एवर इट टेक्स. I was not giving my 100%. Everyone gives their 100%. I'm very blunt saying this. Everyone gives their 100%. I was giving 1000% for that. So इन दो में से मुझे एक ऑफर चाहिए ही चाहिए, ये मेरे दिमाग में बहुत क्लियर होता था. गाइज, देयर वॉज अ टाइम कि जब मैं इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए जाती थी, मुझे पहले ही पता होता था कि इंटरव्यूअर मुझे किस किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है और व्हाट विल बी माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई वॉज दैट रेडी फॉर द इंटरव्यूज. ओके, सो इन दो में से बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस, टचवुड, कि जब भी मैंने इंटरव्यू दिए है, मैंने हमेशा दो एम्प्लॉयर्स के साथ इंटरव्यू दिए है. आई वॉज एंडेड अप विथ इंटरव्यूइंग for 2 final rounds and always got one offer. So that was my conversion ratio. So what I would like to tell you from this experiences is, अगर आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि Ash, we are applying from last 2 months and I haven't heard back from the employer, I think so you need to revisit your application process. अगर आपका बैकग्राउंड बायोलॉजी से है और आप बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के पोजीशन के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, आपके एक्सपीरियंस लैब में है और आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के लिए और सच समथिंग लाइक दैट, दिस एप्लीकेशन आर नॉट गोना हेल्प यू. विच एप्लीकेशन विल हेल्प यू नो? जब आपका रेज्यूमे पे जो आपने क्वालिफिकेशन डजेंट मैटर, अगर आपने मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग बट मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मैं सीखी हूँ, अगर आपके एक्सपीरियंस इंडिया में लैब असिस्टेंट के रहे हो, आपने बैचलर्स भी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में यहाँ आके करी है, और अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, या फिर आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के रोल के लिए, बिजनेस मैनेजर्स के रोल के लिए, नो 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 गाइज, दे आर not gonna entertain you. This market is really skilled based and experience based. So I don't even remember कि मेरे किसी भी एम्प्लॉयर ने मुझे मेरी मास्टर्स और बैचलर्स के बारे में पूछा है. they just see your experiences, your work experiences. If they feel like your work experiences are aligning with their job description, then expect the call from interviewer. So here is the deal. Always align your resume with their expectations. Okay, might be it will take your time, but this is how you have to do it, guys. This is how I did, or so many people are doing currently. So this is how you can expect the interviews from the employer. Okay, I'm not saying 100% match, maybe early stage of your career not possible कि आपका experience उनके expectation के साथ 100% match हो जाए. 50% 60% is again a good match. Okay, 50% 60% is again a good match. So make sure कि आपका resume उनके roles and responsibility के साथ 50 to 60% match हो रहा है. If they feel potential in you, if they feel कि तुम्हारे work experiences उनके लिए helpful हो सकते हैं, you will definitely get a call. Or once you got a call, it's your court now. Ball is in your court, and you have to do it, guys. It's you. This is only you. इंटरव्यू तो आप हो और इंटरव्यूअर है, आप बोलोगे वो सुनेगा. सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली ऑन यू. नो वन इज गोना हेल्प यू विद दिस. ओके, सो यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर आंसर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. माइट बी वी कैन टॉक अबाउट दिस इन अ डिफरेंट वीडियो, बट डोंट कम टू मी एंड टेल मी दैट Ash, I am applying for 100 jobs and not hearing anything back. Definitely something is missing there. Revisit your application practices. I spend hours and hours tailoring my resumes or my CV with their job description. Don't use ChatGPT aggressively. Don't copy everything from the ChatGPT, because during the interview as well, you have to explain or need to tell them that what that particular thing which you have written in your job in your CV is telling, or how you achieve that skill. Okay, these people are going to explore you as a person. Okay, so make sure that whatever you are writing in your CV is actually aligning with what you have did. सब लोग थोड़ा बहुत तो इधर उधर का बोलते ही हम लोग. ओके, इट्स ओके इफ अगर आप ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें लिख रहे हो जो आप आपने नहीं की है बट आप लिख रहे हो अपने रिज्यूमे में, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एबल टू एक्सप्लेन दोज. Okay, hope so you have understand what I am trying to say. But application is the only key. Don't demotivate. The very important, once you enter the UK job market, then sky is the limit. Sky is the limit, trust me, sky is the limit. You will learn so many things, and sky is the limit. That's what I'll say. Okay, so first thing, don't feel demotivated. Applications are must. There is no shortcut. You have to sit down every day for 1 hour. Need to make sure जो job description के लिए आप apply कर रहे हो, you are confident about that job description, you think that you can make it, then apply. Don't blindly apply on easy apply, click and say, oh, I made 20 applications today. You will never heard back from those employer again. Okay, so application is the key. Make sure that you are tailoring your CV with those job application. Do not copy everything from ChatGPT and write down in your CV. Make sure you are reading each and every line you are writing in your CV. You should be able to defend those statements. You should be able to tell your employer that what that statement is talking about. Okay, so that's a different thing. Might be we can talk about that in different video, but for now, hope so I was able to answer your question. But if you have more than that, please let me know. I'm happy to answer. If you want my help in tailoring your resume, happy to help. If you want me to help you with your interviews, happy to help. So ciao, bye bye, thank you, love.